Today is Wednesday, January 8th, and this is the second time I'm filming this because the first time I forgot to press record. So that's that. Anyways, what I learned today is something that kind of exposed me and made me realize something that I really need to be working on. Yeah. So today, at youth group, the sermon was in James, and it was talking about partiality and like favoritism. And it really hit home because it kind of exposed me, and it made me realize like, whoa, I do this. I judge people so quickly. That was the main thing that kind of hit. Like, I judge people so quickly and so immediately, and just like, yeah. I judge people so quickly without taking consideration who they actually are. That's what I guess I expose myself with. I judge people very quickly based off of who I assume they are, based off what I assume they're thinking, what I assume their personality is. I'm essentially just judging a book by its cover. One interaction, one look at them, and I'm like judging that person for how they dress or what they look like how I think, what I know previously from other people about them, what I think their personality will be. I judge people based off of what I assume they are as a person. One illustration that he gave in the sermon was that it's almost like I'm a judge, like in a court, and I'm sifting through people, and I'm thinking, you approve, you decline, right? Accept or reject. And it's such a horrible way of thinking of it, because I'm just like going through these people like yes, no, and I'm not actually considering who they are as a person, right? Because it's just based off of first impressions. I'm judging a book by its cover. And that just, it really exposed me, and it really made me feel like, wow, this is something that I really need to be working on. Not judging a book by its cover and not just assuming that I know everything about them when I really don't. Because the cool thing is, like, everybody has a different personality. Everybody has different traits. Everybody has different characteristics. Everybody's from different families that also have different traits and characteristics and personalities. Everyone is different. And imagine, like, the people I'm losing because I'm just judging them so quickly. Like, imagine if we could have connected really well and been really good friends. But no, just off of that one interaction, based off of that one look, I'm judging them. And I'm thinking, no, I don't like you for no reason. I'm going to choose to not interact with you. So yeah, that kind of just exposed me, and it's just something that I really need to be working on. Not judging people so quickly, just based off of a first impression. Like, sometimes I'll be thinking, like, I don't know why I don't like this person. I just do. I get the wrong vibe. But that's so not it, bro. Like, that's so... You shouldn't base your opinions of someone based on their vibes. You should base your opinions on something based on who they actually are, their character and their personality, and how they actually live their life, not their vibes. And that's what I need to work on. So yeah, your action point, your takeaway, is to not judge people so quickly, and to actually get to know people, get to know their character, get to know their personality, and judge them based off of that. And also judge yourself based off of your same standards. Like, if you judge someone for doing something but then turn around and do it yourself, then like, who are you to say, right? So actually understand people. And if you're going to judge someone based off of your certain specific standard, then judge yourself from that specific standard. Do you have a good character? I'm sure other people are also looking at you and thinking, I don't like their vibe, and just rejecting you for no reason, just like you're rejecting them. So yeah, this is just one thing that I learned today that I'm hopefully going to use to help myself just be a better person socially, because I have been thinking a lot about and just like struggling with social interactions and stuff, and just trying to be better at that. And this is just one thing that it's just kind of exposed me and made me wake up and realize, like, stop judging people so quickly. So that is what I learned today. If this connected with you at all, if you found it interesting, then definitely hit the like button. If you have any thoughts, if you have any solutions, if you've struggled with this and you have things that can help you with this, and I'd love to hear them in the comments down below. Join my Patreon. It's completely free. In it, I'm going to be having weekly discussion posts based on videos or just things that I'm thinking about. And also there's a community chat where you can share what you learned today. So I've been sharing what I learned today, but I also want to hear from you guys and hear what you guys learned today so we can all learn from each other. And yeah, so join this community this wholesome community of people who just are trying to get better at life one day at a time, whether that's being a better person socially or being more productive, things like that. So like I said, it's completely free. I'll have the link in the description. This video is specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, then definitely go click on it. You can subscribe in this corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!